Hey guys, if you're someone who has just completed your mass communication degree undergraduate program and are confused about what to go for your master's studies or your post-graduation study, you have come at the right place. But I would request you to watch the video till the end, as I'll give you a lot of details that how you approach for your master's program and how you take the decision, because it's really important that you make a good choice and a choice that will help you to go ahead in your career. As there's a lot of ads and everything pushed around, you are really confused. So I'll help you to sort out that confusion as well. So let's get started. Hey guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. I would like to tell you that I have made a series called What After Media Graduation. So this is the part 4 of that series. In part 1, I would suggest that if you haven't watched it, please go and watch, because you will be able to find your core. You will be able to decide your core, that how to go ahead in a media profession with deciding your core. And second, about job and internship, that how to apply for a job or how to apply for an internship. So you can go and watch those videos. I'll put down the link in my description below, and also I'll link in this video. Don't fall for any fancy advertisements and the promises which tells you that this degree will give you a job. There is no degree in media that can assure or promise you a job. That's just a marketing strategy. Please don't fall for it. So if there is any PGDM, any MBA, any masters and any postgraduate program which is promising you a job, that's not correct. So I would say that you look at is something, go for the core syllabus. Now when you are applying for any of the master's program, go and search for the syllabus, that what are they teaching, what are the subjects there. Do a background check of this course, giving out what kind of expertise that will help you to make a very good choice, which you will know that, boss, I will be studying this particular thing and that is my takeaway. That should be your target. When it comes to degree, I would suggest that yes, affiliation with UGC will matter, because at least there will be a overview, or it's an affiliated UGC program that will help you. So there's MBA in Media Management, which I personally find very fancy degree, and there's huge amount of money. People are saying, calling it MBA in Media Management. That's the financial side of the media. How to manage a media company. Yes, indeed, it's very good. But if you surely want to do it, then go ahead and invest. Masters in Journalism and Mass Comm. So now, as I said, it will be an extension of your PMM. Then there are degrees called Masters in Advertising, Masters in Public Relations, Masters in specifically journalism, and there are also some degrees called Masters in Entertainment Journalism or Entertainment Reporting. Go ahead and do those. As why it will help you, let me tell you, our undergraduate degree in media is very basic and generic. So if you do a master's program, or you do a MBA, or you do a post-graduation in a specific field, which can be anything, journalism, advertising, PR, events, as XIC, Xavier's gives a lot of program which is focused for 2 years, public relation postgraduate. For 2 years, they give an entertainment and reporting. So all this specialized program will help you to enhance your skills, and it will be in detail information. So you can go ahead with the colleges which is very well recognized, and they are demanding you the fees, so you know the faculty is good. And you can go ahead with curriculum which is good. Go ahead with the university which have a good record of their syllabus. So you have to check that. Guys, as in this short video, it's very difficult for me to give you all the details of all the courses. So what I'm trying to do is give you an overview, give you a steps that you can analyze and check yourself, because on internet you have everything possible. So when you're making a search, as I said, don't fall for advertisement. First thing, keep in mind that search or analyze your own core. So if you're somebody who wants to go into advertising, if you're someone who wants to go into photography, if you're someone who wants to go into journalism, if you're someone who wants to go into advertising, you need to know where you want to go. So it will help you to make that research very clear. Even in films, you have your PG in films, post-graduation, masters in film studies. All of these are available, but make sure that you choose that you want to learn. So you will find out the syllabus on the internet, UGC sites, on the university websites. Go and check for it, and then only invest your money and time, because just for the degree, don't waste your money. Just for the degree, don't waste your time, because if you are not learning anything, if that particular degree is just sounding fancy and will not have the syllabus designed as per what you want to study, it will be a waste. So masters is the time wherein you study and do practical. Like with your masters, most of us have done a job on field internship or traineeship which we have joined, which helped us to secure our job. Not that degree helped us to get the job. So please keep in mind when they are mentioning that this master's program will give you this, yes indeed, they will help you with the internship. There will be a breakthrough that you get into the industry, but securing your place will be in your hand. So make sure that if you're going ahead with the name and paying a lot of money, you make use of it. And guys, if there's any confusion, any specific confusion with your master's program, please write in the comment below. I'll be able to answer. Maybe I'll reply you then and there, or I'll make a video if it is in the larger interest. But in one video, as I said, it's really impossible to talk about all the courses. So if I've missed out on anything and you think that you need to know about that, please write in the comment below. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and if you think this video was informative, please do like, share and subscribe.